What if I told you that one company is sitting at the center of every major technological shift happening right now? Artificial intelligence, data centers, autonomous vehicles, robotics, even nuclear energy partnerships, and it's currently trading at a discount compared to where Wall Street analysts say it should be. That company is Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about this stock in 2026, the financials, the risks, the price targets, and what analysts are saying. Whether you already own NVDA, you're thinking about buying, or just trying to understand the hype, by the end of this, you'll have a crystal clear picture. Before we dive into the numbers, let's make sure we understand what Nvidia actually does, because most people still think of them as just a gaming graphics card company. And while that used to be true, Nvidia in 2026 is a completely different beast. Nvidia makes GPUs, graphics processing units. But GPUs are not just for gaming anymore. They are the engines that power artificial intelligence. When companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and even governments want to train AI models, run AI workloads, or build AI infrastructure, they need GPUs. Specifically, they need Nvidia's GPUs. Why? Because of CUDA, Nvidia's proprietary software platform that developers have been building on for nearly 20 years. This isn't just a chip advantage, it's a software moat. Switching away from Nvidia doesn't just mean buying different hardware, it means retraining engineers, rewriting code, and rebuilding entire workflows. Nvidia isn't just a chip company, it's a platform company, and that distinction is key when valuing this stock. Nvidia operates across four main business segments: data center, the biggest and fastest growing; gaming, still significant but no longer the main story; professional visualization for design, simulation, and engineering; and automotive and robotics, the next frontier. Now let's look at the numbers. In fiscal year 2026, Nvidia reported revenue of $215.94 billion, a 65% increase year over year. A company already worth over $4 trillion is still growing at 65%. Earnings came in at $120 billion, up 64.75%. These are numbers rarely seen at this scale. The engine driving this growth? The data center segment. In the most recent quarter, data center revenue hit $51.2 billion, up 66% year over year. The biggest cloud providers in the world, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, are spending billions on AI infrastructure, almost all of it running on Nvidia chips. Margins separate Nvidia even from other great companies. Its operating margin is around 60.8%, and its profit margin is 52.4%. That means for every dollar of revenue, Nvidia keeps over 50 cents as profit. Customers are paying a premium because there is no equivalent alternative. Earnings per share are projected to grow 50.9% this fiscal year, reaching $4.42. Analysts project revenue could hit $369 billion next fiscal year, another 70% jump. Some might think this sounds too good to be true. The right question is, what are the risks? But first, let's see what Wall Street says about the stock. As of March 2026, 38 analysts cover Nvidia stock. The consensus rating? Strong buy. 54% have it as a strong buy, and the average 12-month price target is $265.97. The current price is around $178. Analysts are forecasting roughly a 49% upside. The range is wide. The most bullish target is $360, the most bearish $100. Raymond James raised their target to $323. Wells Fargo notes Nvidia's updated order visibility exceeds expectations. JP Morgan has a buy rating and a $240 target, citing a durable competitive moat. Nvidia also disclosed a $1 trillion order pipeline from its Blackwell and Vera Rubin chip architectures. $1 trillion in visible demand, yet the stock barely moved. Is the market pricing in perfection, or is the stock still undervalued? Now, the risks. Risk number one, China export restrictions. The U.S. has imposed significant export controls on advanced AI chips going to China, which previously accounted for 20 to 25% of Nvidia's data center revenue. Nvidia has compliant lower margin chips for China, but tighter restrictions could hit revenue. Risk number 2, competition. AMD is moving, Intel is investing heavily, and major customers like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta are developing their own custom AI chips. Even a 20% shift to in-house chips could slow growth. Risk number 3, valuation. At a PE ratio of around 36, Nvidia is priced for continued perfection. Any miss could trigger a sharp correction. The stock recently fell from $212 to $172, a 17% pullback during consolidation. Risk number 4, concentration risk. Financial advisors recommend keeping any single stock to 5 to 10% of a portfolio. Nvidia is high conviction but volatile. Risk number 5, macro environment. Rising interest rates, geopolitical tensions, and broader market uncertainty can impact high-growth tech stocks. These risks are real, but they're also known. The question isn't whether risks exist, but whether the opportunity outweighs them. At $178, Nvidia has a PE ratio of roughly 36. That sounds high, but with 50+% earnings growth, the PEG ratio looks reasonable. Projected EPS of $4.42 multiplied by a 30 times earnings multiple gives $132. A 50 times multiple gives $221. A 60 times multiple gives over $265, in line with Wall Street consensus. Current prices are essentially a bet that Nvidia maintains dominance and AI spending continues for 2 to 3 years. The $1 trillion order pipeline, 65% revenue growth, 60% margins, and CUDA moat make that a reasonable bet, but nobody knows exactly when AI spending peaks. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it stock. It requires monitoring, conviction, and knowing your risk tolerance. Here's what we know about NVDA in 2026. The bull case, revenue up 65%, earnings up 64%, data center dominance, $1 trillion Blackwell and Vera Rubin pipeline, CUDA software moat, 38 analysts with strong buy, average 12-month price target $266, nearly 50% upside. The bear case, China export restrictions, rising competition from custom chips, high valuation, recent 17% pullback, and macro uncertainty. The verdict, Nvidia is one of the most financially exceptional companies on the planet. The moat is real, the demand is real, the growth is real, but it comes at a price. The question isn't whether Nvidia is a great company, it's what you pay and your time horizon. For long-term investors with a 3 to 5 year horizon and the stomach for volatility, Nvidia has historically rewarded patience. For short-term traders, the consolidation between $170 and $195 creates both risk and opportunity. Most people focus on the price stock, but the real story is the infrastructure build-out. Every major government, cloud provider, and enterprise is racing to build AI capacity. Nvidia is the shovel in the gold rush. The investors who understood this in 2022 when NVDA was $120, not hype but fundamentals, are sitting on life-changing returns. The question for 2026 and beyond, are we in the middle of that story or at the end? I believe we're in the middle. Drop a comment. Are you bullish or bearish on NVDA, and why? If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more stock analysis, and check out my last video on investing with just $10.